Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two impressive dash cameras lined up for comparison. On the left, we have the BOOGIIO dash cam front, and on the right, the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Get ready for some epic showdown. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The BOOGIIO dash cam front boasts a stunning 1080p Full HD resolution. With its super large IPS display, you'll be able to see every detail as clear as day when playing back your recordings. Now let's talk about something crucial: night vision. The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes equipped with Ultra HD night vision capabilities. With its f1.8 large aperture and advanced technology, it captures crystal clear recordings even in low-light environments. Say goodbye to those blurry night shots. Now let's dive into the extra features that make these dash cameras stand out from the crowd. The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes packed with a variety of functions, including a G sensor for saving video evidence of collisions, loop recording to automatically overwrite unprotected files, and motion detection for capturing any movement around your vehicle. It's like having a personal bodyguard on the road. Now let's talk about the design of these dash cameras. The BOOGIIO dash cam front features a sleek and straightforward design that won't obstruct your view while driving. It's easy to install and operate, making it a user-friendly choice. The BOOGIIO dash cam front has received positive reviews for its high-quality video, ease of installation, and good value for money. It is recommended for personal or fleet use. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera has impressed reviewers with its exceptional video quality, wide-angle lens, easy installation, and user-friendly features. It is highly recommended for driving safety needs. And that's a wrap on our dash cam showdown. Both the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the Miden S7 dual dash camera have their own unique strengths. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs the best. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to purchase these fantastic dash cameras. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter choices so you can buy with confidence. See you next time.